Welcome to Quality University. In this lesson, we shall learn how to reverse a string using recursion. Very fancy. Of course, there's very easy ways to do it, but you can't do it that way, can you? Haha. So, the first thing we're going to do is come up with a function. The function's going to be a string. We're going to reverse a string because we're going to return a string, then this is a string, and then it's going to take in a string. So we're going to name it something we can really remember, because you should always name your variable name something good, so string. Okay, so what are the 3 steps of recursion? To get the base cases and then the special case. So what are the base cases in reversing a string? So in this function, we're going to give this reverse string function a random string. So let me come up with one. So this is going to be a string A equals this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to print the reverse of this string. Okay, so this string is coming into this function. So theoretically, though, the string isn't necessarily going to be that. It can be anything. So what are the cases? The cases are, if the string is 0, what do? Nothing. Okay, so if string dot length equals 0, then do nothing, because this is the simplest case, because nothing reversed is still nothing. So you knew that. Hopefully. Wow. Then what is the next case? The next case is if the string is 1, the length is 1. So if we just have a string of, say, A, then if we reverse it, that's also going to be A. String of just B, also B. So if the length is 1, then also return the string. So now we come to the special case. So we have to think about recursion a little bit and what it's doing. So basically what it is, so if we have a string A, B, C, D, E, F, what we can say is, if parentheses mean we still need to reverse it, that's the same thing as saying, okay, well, the F, we know where that goes. That goes in the front. So that's the same thing as F and then reverse the A, B, C, D, E. Okay? Because then the E can come out. So that's F, E, A, B, C, D. And then we can take the D out. That's F, E, how did I get an O here? Bloody sour cream. Okay, whatever. F, E, we'll keep the O, F, D, and then A, B, C. Oh, it's auto-correcting me. F, E, D, C, and then A, B. And then, so it keeps doing this, F, E, D, C, B, until there's only one thing left. And we know what the one thing left is, because the one thing left is this case. And so that just becomes the answer, which is F, E, D, C, B, A. So that's the basic thing of recursion. So what we're going to do is return. Now, the first thing we want to do is take the A out of the function, put it in the front. So what does the front of the string look like, or the back of the string look like? And we're going to put it in the front and concatenate it with the back. So this is string.substring. Now, the last thing is string.length, since the string starts being indexed from 1. This is string minus 1, and then to the end of the string, which you can put -1 there for till the end of the string, or you could just put the length of the string. So I'm just going to do that. Reverse. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is reverse the rest of the string, because we're still not done yet, right? We just took out the end of the string, and we're going to put it on the front of the other string. So reverse string. Reverse string. What are we going to put in there? We're going to put in the entire string except for the very last element. So that's going to be string.substring. Okay, we're going to start at 0 because we want everything, and then the length. So what is the new length? So since we're starting at 0 and the length of the string is strings.length, we want to go string.length minus 1 distance so that we leave out the very last element. Okay, so then call this, compile it, G++, what's it called? Recursion.cpp. Forgot to save it. G++ recursion cpp. Okay, we get all sorts of compilation errors, mostly due to the fact that this garbage is in here, and the fact that whenever you're using these methods, we have to use using namespace std, because all good programmers go std : string, but I work for the government. And we're fix simple spelling mistakes caused by laziness, also known as dyslexia. Length. Boy, I spelled every single one of them wrong. And then we recompile with it working. Nothing ever works the first time. Okay, this is a dead land, this is cactus land. From the famous T.S. Eliot poem, we have successfully reversed the string. If we reversed it twice, we should get back what we started, so I'm just going to try that. Maybe I can get it right on the first time sometime. Please work. Yep, we got it back to where we started. We did something crazy, like what if we did nothing? What are we going to get back? Hopefully nothing. Nothing if we just put A. We get simply A. So thank you for watching. Comment what the next video should be. This is the very first one. Fancy schmancy. Roll music.